I get to share with you another donation unboxing. Don't mind all this stuff I'm working on wrapping soap. Pretend it's not there. This is from BMB Artistry. Look at how pretty her card is. Because we're starting to put things aside for Christmas, she sent lip balms, and lots of them, so that we can give them to the veterans, the homeless veterans, and to the families at the hospital with the children that are in the pediatric intensive care unit. This is just amazing. Oh. All right, let me see. We also have lemongrass lotion that she made. Beautiful winterberry soaps. And look at how they're packaged. This is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. In the clamshells. And they're beautiful. And so her ingredients are olive oil, coconut oil, rapeseed oil, which is canola, castor oil, cream, sodium hydroxide, kaolin clay, sodium lactate, the color ultramarine here, titanium dioxide, fine pumice, bioglitter, and natural fragrance oil. These are so pretty. And do you see, look at this. I mean, she is meeting the needs of so many people. I can't even begin to tell you. So I'm not quite sure how many are in there, but there's lotion, soap, and lip balm. This is a lot. I wanted to show you the beautiful gift that Bride gave me. These are those really wonderfully wrapped felted soaps. Take one out so you can see it. Look at this. That is so pretty. She sent a beautiful, beautiful bar of loofah glycerin soap. Such a nice mold too, so pretty. Colors are lovely. She sent a bottle of lotion for me. This is so cool, I can't wait to try it. Very nice. And 2 lip balms. This one is a lemon ice lip balm with rosehip oil. Oh, and this one is coffee all-weather lip balm with shea butter and zinc oxide. What amazing special gifts, and she's giving these same gifts to all of these people in need.